So you're building a deck or screwing into hard timber, but you're having problems with screws snapping often. Here's a quick tip to show you how to resolve that. In this example, I use a special tool to drill and countersink my screws to the right depth and size. When drilling for your screw, make sure your drill bit is about the same size as the shaft of your screw, not the outside diameter, otherwise the screw won't grab. You've drilled your holes, now you're going to screw, but your screws are looking like this, snapping. All you need to do is get a candle or wax of some sort, rub it on the thread of the screws. That will give the screw enough lubricant for when it goes down it does not grab and heat up the metal and snap off. Easy.